caps together for wiring. Getting the screws ready. Well, that's not going there, right? Okay, got 4 screws. Oh, hi guys, I'm installing lights today. Told you she always keeps me busy. Let me see what they got here. Huh. This one is a 2-wire. Hey, check it out. It's in Chinese.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Wicked.
It sure is.
It's all in Chinese. Ah, look at the surprises.
So you want to explain some of this in
Well,
case somebody doesn't know?
Well, they just split. These are 2 separate inlets. You can run 1 or just 2. And this is just to wire the second one in. There's only 1 ground wire, so once I eliminate this was set up in the switch. It's not set up like this. It's in the switch here. So it's just 2 wires, hot and negative.
Okay.
So, and I know this is the power because it goes to both lights, and then this your ground. So what I need to do now is get this belt right here, so I can snip these wires because they crimp these. If I need any motorhome lights, got some. Yeah, I can wire these in the back of my truck for in the dark. It's 12 volt.
Yeah.
Now, I have to take this wire. I gotta strip those first. Strip the heads off here so we got some wire. That one. That one. Now, take this guy right here, since this is positive. The good thing about this is, technically, you can turn it on and see. There he is. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, that's bright. Well, you can't say you won't be able to see in the middle of the night.
So what are we doing here?
Well, we're hooking the positives together. And then take this cap and you screw it on the wire and it tightens up and voila. You hold it up there and you do the same thing to the next one. Just like that, and I'm blinding myself, thank you. Oh, mama. Okay. Wow, don't want to wake up to a light like that. One more check. Look at that.
Oh.
Yep.
Nice and bright in here.
Middle of the night, you'll be able to see anything here.
Mm-hmm.
And then just have one.
Yep. Very cool.
So now, what we'll do is shove these in here, like they have. And these wires, they'll be right here in the belly. I'm gonna take this guy here, put it in my mouth. Get my old trusty drill here. Pretty much straight. Oh. Oh, baby.
Really nice.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's got to be through the whole motorhome.
Yeah, so much better than these ones.
Yeah, these are just, so dull, even though they put the LED bulbs in them, these yellow,
It's the frosted
soft.
glass, or classic. Yeah.
But I like this better.
Yeah, me too. That's nice.
You get up in the middle of the night, hell, you got this turn one on, you'd be able to see all
Mm-hmm. Yep. Very good, baby. Very good.
This one?
They're much more modern.
This one here?
Yeah. Then we're gonna do the other one by the closet.
Huh? You went a little bit faster. Well, guys, I got 2 lights up, and these puppies are pretty bright. It's a little bit darker now. That's that. The first set over the kitchen sink, and then this used to be a single one, and we put a double because, boy, you can see in this closet when you're going to look for something. So that's why we put it there. We have one to put here and one there. This one's getting changed out with a nice little black chandelier my wife's gotten in place for this. If you're interested in these lights, I mean, these are from China. Well, it ain't from China, but what's that? Corey? I'll pronounce it, but those are the lights.
I'll provide a link in the
company,
bottom.
she'll provide a link for you. She's good at that stuff. I gotta show you the box.
And the awesome lights.
Yeah.
Very nice.
They were pretty good. They're pretty bright. They would come in handy for when you're out there in really dark areas, and you gotta be comfortable where you lay your head, right?
You got it.
It is what it is.
Next, we'll be putting up the light over the dinette area.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Our Being Done Our Way. Well, we're on another venture here, another one of my wife's projects, and well, as you notice, I hung up lights now. I'm hanging up this light that is for the dining area, which my wife ordered. And the worst part about it all, she forgot to order a light with a switch, because all those lights have switches.
Whoops.
And now she pays me the big bucks. Yeah. I have to install this push button on and off switch in here so we can turn the light on and off ourselves. If not, it'll stay on all the time. It wouldn't be good for the solar because the battery's dead. But anyway, no, I have to install this switch. Unfortunately, I have drill bits. Yeah, my Corona too. I have drill bits and they're not the size it needs to be, but it's a good start. I have to ream the hole out in order for this switch to come in this end and come out the outer end, so we'd be able to turn it on and off, and for it to clear the ceiling. So I'm gonna get this hole drilled and I'll be back to show you the installation. See you in a bit.
I've been looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your vibe. She's been looking for a reason, and I think she found it in my mind. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights. In a bottle, and now everything's a blur. She's been looking for the good love, and I'm standing in front of her. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights.
push button. Push it on, push it on. Shut it up, put it on, shut it up.
You didn't need me in. Uh-oh. We have light.
Oh no, are you serious?
Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem.
Yeah.
You bought the wrong light switch.
You know on the packet it said push button on and off, right? Tell me why it says on and off on the packet, but it only comes on when you hold the button. Why would anybody sell that in the light department?
I'm not quite sure what that's for.
They want you to push a button and hold it till it's time.
Oops.
But you see,
That's a beautiful light.
pretty light. Too bad it ain't work right. Sorry guys, but I gotta go back to the store. Lord help me. Yeah.
So we'll be back again. Take two.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride.
Hey, it works, people. Look, still works. Look, see light? Light.
So come and light me
Alright.
up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want
Screw
you
it up.
by my side. Light me
I already did. I just fixed
Let me
it.
touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and
That's a ceiling.
come on and rise. Light me up. Can't get enough.
So that way you can flick the switch before you sit down.
Just do it right. We will rise to the skies. 'Cause we ain't done.
I got a little quarter drawn. I guess I'll just hold this. I guess you.
Doesn't it look pretty?
I guess you're gonna drive this thing.
Got to be
Alright.
so come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up. Let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise.
You want to show them?
What? Did I flick the switch?
Yes.
Come on and rise.
Ta-da.
Come on and rise. Baby, you light me up. I just can't get enough. 'Cause I need your fire. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up.
Hey guys, she's making fun of me. That's why I'm looking at you funny like that. But anyways, we're gonna close this with the bathroom. Okay. This is a curtain my wife ordered, and this is a shower curtain. And of course, we have to replace the other side, but we wanted to show this one to you because it's so foreign looking, and it's a nice look. It kind of matches everything in this motorhome. You said I have to wear sunglasses when I go outside. It's gonna be so dark in here.
It's so pretty though. Look at it. Would you look at it? Just look at it.
Quit making fun of that guy, would you?
That's all, folks, for today. Love and blessings.
Later.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line.